Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text to your Instagram post photo. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram, and first thing first, I'm going to create an Instagram post. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to select post, and I'm going to upload a photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one and then click on next. And if we want to add text to this photo, we can click on this icon and then you can type in whatever you want. I'm just going to type in forest. Okay, and I'm going to change the font, then I'm going to change the background. Wait, I'm gonna go with this one guys and click on done, and I'm going to place it right here. Okay, once you're done, you can click on next. And then once you're ready to share this post to your Instagram, you just need to click on share. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add text to your Instagram post photo. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.